Today we are going to explore Osaka Castle, and it will be our first time wearing kimono. My two ladies were very excited at first, but later they realized that we were the only two people wearing kimono while walking along the street to Osaka Castle, attracting quite a lot of attention and curious looks. From the start of the walk, Osaka Castle felt very far away. Walking in wooden slippers turned out to be quite a challenge, especially over such a long distance. But keep watching until the end to see the full walking journey and how it all went. We walked so much today, but it was truly an extraordinary journey. Every step felt worth it as we made our way toward Osaka Castle, one of Japan's most iconic landmarks. Surrounded by beautiful park grounds, moats, and towering stone walls, the castle offers a deep sense of history and grandeur that transports you back to the samurai era. Exploring Osaka Castle is more than just sightseeing, it's an experience of culture, architecture, and timeless beauty all in one place. Despite the long walk and challenges along the way, it was absolutely worth it for the unforgettable views and atmosphere. You can also find street performers around Osaka Castle, adding even more life and energy to the area. For this one, I'll be making a separate video to show the full performance in detail. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. You need to pay an entrance fee to go inside Osaka Castle. Also, take note that photography and video recording are not allowed inside the exhibition area. I did manage to take a few shots, but I was later warned by a security officer.
Sorry.
After reaching the top of Osaka Castle, this is the only area where you are allowed to take photos and videos. From here, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking panoramic view of Osaka City stretching far into the skyline. You can see the contrast between modern skyscrapers and historic landmarks, all from one incredible viewpoint. It's also a great spot to capture memorable photos, especially during clear weather or cherry blossom season when the surrounding park turns into a sea of pink. The observation level gives you a real sense of how important Osaka Castle once was as a strategic stronghold, standing tall above the city and watching over everything below.
When he was a baby, he had a
それでは皆さんお待たせしました。今日一番見てもらいたかった。はい。